There's a number AQA doesn't print on the cover of your textbook, and once you know it, you'll never revise the same way again. Welcome to the grand unlearning. I get the frustration of staring at thick textbooks, feeling like you need to become a walking human encyclopedia just to pass GCSE Geography. You don't. I am going to show you the exact 4-step paragraph formula that forces the mark scheme to give you the highest grades. But first, let's reveal that number and find out exactly why your textbook has been lying to you. The exam board treats this like a game, and you need to know the rules. Let's look at the actual AQA mark scheme. And there's that number. AO1, which is purely recalling facts and statistics, is only worth 15% of your final grade. Sure, half of your marks go to AO2 and AO4, proving you actually understand the concepts and can read a map or a graph. But the real heavyweight? The section that actually decides who gets a grade 9, that is AO3, Application and Evaluation. This is worth a massive 35%. They do not want a human encyclopedia. They want to see you take a concept and apply it. If you want to start playing this game strategically and stop wasting your time, hit subscribe to join the Grade 9 gang so you do not miss the rest of this summer series. To beat the system, you need to learn the language. Stop worrying about writing long, rambling essays and learn the command words. If a question says assess or to what extent, you must weigh up two sides and make a judgment. To guarantee those high-level marks, use a strict formula for every paragraph. Make your point, explain it with because, develop it with this leads to, and finish with therefore. This forces you to hit the exact trigger words the mark scheme is looking for. Put the endless lists of statistics in the bin. So you now have the formula, but what facts do you actually put into it? In the next video, I am revealing the nested case study trick, how to cleverly pair one city and one country to answer half the human geography syllabus. Plus, I am going to give you the honest truth and reveal the definitive, absolute minimum list of every single case study you actually need to learn for the entire GCSE. Hit the notification bell so you do not miss it. See you in the next one.